snakes, animals, whatever animals. And also you can see them in person. Yeah, so let's go. Green Planet is a man-made rainforest which has so many snakes, lizards, plants and many more. So this place has 4 levels, and as soon as you get inside, you will see a humongous tree and a massive aquarium. And also you will feel like you're in the Amazon rainforest. The sizes of the fish tank were humongous. So guys, these are blackberry taco and they are huge fish. And as you can see right above them, there are a couple of piranhas. We'll go to see them later. The reason they're not eating the blackberry taco because there's a glass between them. So once you go inside, you'll see the birds flying over your head and birds chirping to each other. So the journey starts from 4th floor. But once we are in the 4th floor, we'll just make our way down to the ground floor. Where we start. So on the first level, you will find a sloth, and as you guys know, sloths are very lazy. So there's a bat cave in the sloth area. I was too afraid to go in there. That cave was dark and scary, and there were literally bats flying around everywhere and even hanging above the ceiling. This is the bat cave where there are so many bats flying around wild. So there are so many birds there, and there's some snowfall which is fake because it was made out of foam. So Omeani also had so much fun with the fake snow. We found a small parrot flew down right here. We found different species of birds sitting down on the branches. And also they build a nest over here. Each level has different kind of birds and trees. They also put a mini waterfall to give the rainforest a realistic look. So we went to each level slowly, and also the waterfall looks so realistic. Over here we have snakes and lots of other poisonous creatures. Now we found a baby python. The body was very smooth, cute, and it was a little scary, but it was sweet. So this is a baby python, and everyone was touching him, but they did not allow anyone to touch his head because it could be venomous and dangerous. So guys, one by one we all touched him, and we were trying to pet this snake. Oh my goodness, I should see it. So guys, I really wanted to touch the snake, but I got too scared. So there's a long queue right behind us. They all wanted to touch the snake. Look at this. He's so cute and he's so harmless. As you move on to different levels, you will find different birds and creatures. Look at this parrot. It's looking so beautiful. In each level you will see different creatures, and here are the monkeys. Okay guys, so right now we're passing through the waterfall. So guys, this is the cockroach area where you can hold a cockroach in your hand, and it's very scary.
Guys, go inside and take a photo with the snake, alright? One by one please.
Right now cockroach, and I don't know what species it is. Let's just go back there. Here, let me try.
Don't go, please.
Yeah, this side.
This is my turn. Relax your hand. Next one.
This place is so amazing. I really like it actually. This is a snake enclosure, so I think. Wait, and here, come here. And here. And here, this is the lizard enclosure, and this is another enclosure. That's the snake enclosure. So there is a photo booth where you can go inside and take a photo with the python. On each level, you'll find different birds.
The atmosphere was very amazing, and you could feel the water droplets just like you can in a real rain.
Okay guys, so that was part 1. So stay tuned for part 2.
Bye. See you in the next vlog.